Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass and flash sensor on the Motorola Moto G Power 2021 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, remove the back cover and undo 11 screws to take out the logic board frame with the lens. Next, take out the broken lens from the frame. Apply heat from the front side. And then push from the rear side to remove the broken lens. If your lens has many cracks, gently take out pieces from the front side. Next, clean the surface and place new glass lens with the adhesive. Next, if needed, take out the flasher lens from the rear side of the lens socket. Gently, using a tweezer, pull out the not talking flasher sensor with the frame. Next, disjoint the frame and sensor board. Next, place the new flash sensor board to the frame. Next, secure the flash sensor in the lens socket. You can also replace the broken glass lens with the frame. Next, apply heat to the lens area from the front side. And gently push the lens frame. If you are using the glass lens with the frame, pull out the flash sensor from the old unit. And then secure the flash sensor in the new lens frame. Next, secure the lens frame with adhesive. Next, secure the board frame with the lens by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.